can see, I've got my GoveeLife humidifier. This is a bigger dehumidifier than I've ever seen. It is very, very strong, very powerful, and it'll suck the humidity right out of a room. In fact, I don't think that it's made for a regular sized room. I've got it in my office, and I think the office is too small. This is a powerful thing because I mean, literally you can see the water coming out. Literally a powerful dehumidifier. I would highly recommend it. The only challenge I have is if you could see the power and the switches, it's hard to read from certain angles, as you can see. But other than that, they light up one at a time. But other than that, it's not a deal breaker, but I wish there would have been a little more contrast so I could see them better. But this is an awesome dehumidifier. Highly recommend it in the basement, garage, or something bigger than just a regular room. Other than that, I would highly recommend it, and I hope this helps somebody make a good decision. Enjoy.